I am Dr. Rajshekhar C. Jaka, consultant surgical oncologist and robotic surgeon. Welcome to Cancer Care Educative Session. Today I will be talking on one important thing in cancer. The common question is, can I get a cancer? Yes, anyone can get a cancer because there are some increased risk factors which, if at all we are exposed to or we are having those habits, then we are at an increased risk. But otherwise also a normal person can also get a cancer because few reasons are known and many reasons are still unknown. So, if at all you are having following habits or exposures, you are at an increased risk. The first and foremost is tobacco. Tobacco can be smoking or smokeless, means smoking tobacco can cause 19 types of cancers in the body. That is a huge number, means many organs in the body can get affected with the tobacco. Even chewing tobacco can cause 3 types of cancers. So, approximately 30% of cancers are related to tobacco now all over the world. The second most important thing is alcohol. Alcohol can also cause cancers of some important structures like esophagus, what you call food pipe, or liver or stomach, and so on and so forth. The third thing which I want to emphasize is overweight or obesity. This is related to some cancers like prostate, colonic cancers, and exposure to radiation. This is very important. During childhood, we may get exposed to high dose of radiation because we are taking treatment, or there is some calamity where radiation hazard has happened. So, even these people are at increased risk of some lymphomas, leukemias, or thyroid cancer. The other most important thing nowadays what we see is sedentary lifestyle. Because of work pressure or some other thing or business or something, they will not be doing any physical activity. This physical activity inactivity is very much related to many cancers. So, and the obesity, which in turn causes because of physical inactivity, will also a risk factor. One more thing is radon exposure. Some chemical industries or even normal earth sometimes exposed or radiates these radon fumes or radon gases. And infections, many people doesn't know that even infections can cause cancer. Luckily, we have a treatment for this. We can prevent this. For example, hepatitis B virus, hepatitis C virus can cause liver cancer. So, luckily we have a hepatitis B vaccine. Likewise, human papilloma virus, if at all there is a chronic infection, then a person is at increased risk of cervical cancer, oropharyngeal cancer, penile cancer, and so on and so forth. There are so many viruses, approximately we calculate around 9 viruses, 1 bacteria and 1 parasite can cause cancer. To add on, ultraviolet radiation which is being emitted by sunlight can also cause skin cancer. And most often the common question is, I have a cancer patient in my family, do I have a increased risk of cancer? Yes, there is 5 to 10% risk of hereditary cancer, but it is very low. But when it happens, we should know, like multiple family members or the same person having one cancer having an increased risk. So, there is a 5 to 10% risk that cancer can run in families or can run in genes. So, there are few cancers which we will evaluate if at all we find that there is an increased risk.